Now let's see if you can do it standing up.
Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Dad, see how long does that go?
You gotta stand up, Beth.
Hey, you got a wedgie. Him. Me try.
Come on, give it some gas. Okay, let go of it.
Yeah! One more time.
Was that fun?
One more time.
Let him have one more time, Beth. Give it a little bit of gas. Turn it around. Not too much. He's okay.
Alright.
Okay, now
Do it again?
now take off. Give it some gas. Take off. There you go. Beth,
Yeah.
let him go.
Alright. I'm just running with him like he did with me. Maybe a little paranoid.
I know. He'll be fine.
Just keep him away from me when I'm riding. Oh, you see him close up, huh?
Yeah.
No, I can't see him. He's right out there. Yep.
Floor it, man, floor it. Come on, give it some gas. Yeah, okay, slow down. Slow down. That was fun, wasn't it? Hey, be careful now. You're getting a little brave there. Be careful.
Oh, yeah. Did I with no helmet this time?
No.